Though glitches are often seen as errors or faults in media, they can also be used as an interesting, engaging, and creative tool for video editors across multiple industries. We've compiled all of our Envato Elements top 10 best glitch templates into this handy countdown so you can easily access them. All items featured are available with a subscription to Envato Elements. Find the link in the description below. Number 10. Glitch Transitions by MaxAfter1. Kicking off our countdown is a glitch effect that's easy to download and add to your chosen media. If you're trying to replicate the effect of a bad signal on a television, this template is perfectly suited with both black and white and colorized glitches throughout. Number 9. Fast Glitch Opener by Equinox CG. A modern glitch effect for modern creatives. This editing tool has been purposely created to be highly adaptable. Whether you're marketing to the exhilarating travel industry or the energetic fitness industry, this template will help sell your video production. Number 8. Minimal Photographer Glitch Logo Intro Reveal by XFX Designs. This is a seriously useful tool for photographers, film studios, and other like-minded businesses because this effect perfectly captures the glitchy snapshot animation of a camera taking a photo. Number 7. Glitch Logo Intro Pro by Misseld. As far as glitches go, the number 7 addition to our Envato Elements Top 10 Best Glitch Templates countdown is one of the more chaotic effects. With shuddering colors and disjointed lines, this template has been designed specifically to make a lasting impact on viewers. Number 6. Glitch Modern Titles and Lower Thirds for Premiere Pro by Motion Shape. Creating a truly mesmerizing effect, this glitch template is a valuable resource for filmmakers, creative business entrepreneurs, and freelance video editors, just to name a few. Utilizing glitch typography and credits helps take any media in an edgy direction. If you've enjoyed this video so far, we'd super appreciate if you click that bell icon to subscribe to the Envato channel. Feel free to like and share this video if you know anyone who might find it useful. Now, let's find out the top 5 effects in our Envato Elements Top 10 Best Glitch Templates list. Number 5. Distort Glitch Title Reveal by Kalinichev. This action-packed title reveal contains stunning animations, bright colors, and bold text to complement the striking digital glitch effect. Watch as your title is punched into frame with an energy that will immediately capture your audience's attention. Number 4. Glitch Reflection Logo Reveal by Nmotion. Set an energetic tone for your streaming channel or video game brand with a high-tech glitch effect like this one. Your logo will be blipped into view as it twists across the screen in a glitchy state, only to appear clear as day as the animation comes to an end. Number 3. Glitch Transitions for Premiere Pro by Cult Video. This versatile pack of glitch transitions for Premiere Pro is useful for a wide range of projects across almost any industry. With over 90 effects to choose from, your vlog, travel video, film, video ad, or cinematic production will thank you for injecting it with a little glitchy pizzazz. Number 2. 70 Glitch Title Animation Presets Pack, Glitch Text Maker by XFX Designs. This highly advanced glitch maker will transform your plain text into a breathtaking animated visual show. It will bring color, life, and an unmistakable edge to the words on your screen so you can tell your story with style. Number 1. Glitch Distortion Logo Intro by Adamotion. Our number 1 entry on this list is the ultimate glitch template for video editors. It's got dynamically animated distortion, scribbles, grunge, and glitching effects. It's so easy to use as well. Just drop in your logo, change the colors to match your brand, and hit render. Now you're ready to take your video editing up a notch with the Envato Elements Top 10 Best Glitch Templates on this countdown. Which one caught your attention the most? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this countdown, please do leave us with a like, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with anyone you think might find it helpful. The next video in the queue has been chosen just for you, so check it out before you go. Find all the best glitch templates in this list by subscribing to Envato Elements and use them to create videos with a winning edge.